Hey there! Let's talk about setting up some killer user experience configurations on Microsoft. You know, the stuff where you tweak settings to make sure things feel just right for everyone using the system. It's like setting the perfect tone for a party. Everything has to be in harmony. So, let's dive right into where to start when fine-tuning these settings. You can kick things off by opening up the Group Policy Management console. This little gem opens up the world of customizing the user experience in an organization's network. Now, imagine you are working in a large company with a diverse range of devices and OS flavors. You really want to make sure each employee has a consistent and productive experience on their computers, right? That's why configuring group policy settings plays such an important role. First, you've got to define your objectives. What are the key user experience elements you want to control? Is it locking up the mouse cursor when not in use, screen brightness levels, default startup programs, or maybe it's about setting default sound quality or volume? Whatever it is, you'd need to decide and jot that down. These policies can significantly impact end-user efficiency and satisfaction. Now comes the technical part. To get started, navigate to the Group Policy Management in your computer. From there, create a new GPO if it doesn't already exist for your department or organization. Next up, search for the User Experience settings, specifically within the computer configuration and administrative templates. You'll find sections such as User Interface Settings and Desktop Experience amongst others. These are where you'll make your policy changes. Let's take a moment to explain just how these settings actually look and work. For instance, you may find policies that control things like visual styles, lock screen appearance, taskbar settings, and even how windows open up. It provides a real sense of control over the working environment for your team to feel comfortable and at ease with their systems. By adjusting these, your workspace can become calmer, more efficient, and less prone to distractions, especially in open office spaces or shared environments. Remember, always consider how these settings can impact productivity. You'll be tweaking these policies over time and based on feedback, so stay agile. It's a balance between enforcing standards and giving users enough freedom for comfort and efficiency. As an IT professional, it's vital to understand the impact of these policies. So, I'd recommend consulting with the user community, a mix of ages, technical abilities, and job functions. This way, you'll gain insights through their feedback and experiences with various settings. It's essential to maintain a dialogue because, at the end of the day, user experience is subjective, but you are aiming for a general consensus without losing the comfort factor for individual preference. Now, let's talk about troubleshooting. If you run into any issues or if users report something is off, it might mean you are dealing with nested policies or incompatible settings. In these cases, you need to get in there, check the scope, and ensure policies aren't conflicting within your GPO. Dive deep into the troubleshooting processes, maybe using the Group Policy Results wizard, and identify the culprit. And here's a pro tip for those of you working with cloud services. If you are using Azure AD or Microsoft Intune, make good use of their built-in configurations for user experience management. They offer cloud-based solutions for a streamlined approach, simplifying and centralizing policy management for organizations using hybrid or fully cloud-based infrastructures. So, as you get more comfortable with these policy-based user experience settings and see the positive impacts, I encourage you to take your insights and advocate for them across broader enterprise policies, elevating user satisfaction throughout the organization. For those ready to learn a bit more, Microsoft does provide extensive documentation and best practice guides. It's essential to delve into those resources and stay updated on new features and enhancements Microsoft continually rolls out. They can really up your game in staying ahead of the curve. Happy tweaking, and remember, keep user experience at the heart of what you do. As for more in-depth tips and guides, don't forget to check out a helpful resource at neeraj.qzz.io. Subscribe to TechLab for the latest in IT strategy and management. Keep the conversation going and let's make those user experiences unparalleled across the board. Vertical bar end underscore of underscore document vertical bar visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe.